Greetings! And this video is about building a Moongate graveyard out of cardboard. The templates and a step-by-step PDF are now available on Patreon and gonna be uploaded on Etsy later. Creating templates makes the building process much easier and faster. So it starts by cutting out walls and glue them to a piece of corrugated cardboard or foam core. I like to use wood glue and a brush. Time to cut out the wall. Take your time and use a sharp knife. The flip side also gets an identical template cutout. The base is made out of 3mm MDF wood. Try to align the stone pattern of the corner templates. Grab another template sheet and cut out single bricks. Cut off the printed areas to create a gap between the bricks. A dense cardboard with a thickness of 1 to 2 mm is great to represent brickwork. Center the bricks on the template to create a nice and accurate moongate. Prepare and cut out the corners and work your way through. Here I'm sketching a collapsed and ruined wall section, which gets cut and plucked out the rugged way. Take care when you use sharp knives. Corrugated surfaces get speckled with a thick mix of speckling compound. Measuring the length of the stone plate for the coping. I have also created a paving template, so you can sketch a path by gluing the cutouts to the base. And then glue cardboard stone plates on top. The templates really helps to create a regular pattern. The Moongate is ready to get textured and the base needs some touch-ups too. Here we have another ruined wall section. And a graveyard needs some gravestones. Again, cutting out templates and layering cardboard. Before painting or applying moist compounds, I recommend to seal and harden the cardboard with a mixture of wood glue and a few drops of water. When the sealing has dried, you can apply speckling compound or texture paint to the model. Stippling produces a nice rough surface and avoids unrealistic brush strokes. I mix speckle, paint, glue, sand to create a soil paste and stick in trees and rocks. These chopped flower branches are great to represent dead trees, and dead trees are perfect to dress up your graveyard terrain. The tiny rocks are made of cork bark. The tiny rocks are just chunks of cork bark. Brushing the sandy soil paste to the bottom of the wall and on other dirty spots makes the model look more weathered and finally realistic. These steps merge the elements together and produce micro details, kind of the easy way. As usual, things need to get destroyed and modified. Ruin things to create ruins or something like that. The next video will deal with painting and flocking of this model. So if you like these videos, ring the bell and hit that subscribe button with a bang. More terrain? A link up on Instagram or Facebook. You name it. The PDF and the templates are now on Patreon. Afterwards they will be available on Etsy. You can find tool and material recommendation in the description down below. Cheers, stay safe and make terrain.